Hey, do you want to win this truck? We partnered with Richard Rawlings and Shared Sweeps to bring you this awesome opportunity to win this truck and $70,000 cash. So if you want to enter this giveaway on this truck, stick around to the end of the video and we'll let you know how to do it. Because Carter's here today. You helping out, Carter?
Nah.
You gonna supervise?
Yep.
It's keeping my seat warm.
All right, guys, today we got...
cold.
It is a little cold, but we got this. What year is this, 01?
01, 02.
We're about to pull the motor, about to tear it apart and get this motor out of here so we can get that ready to go in the OBS. That's our next project that we got going on at the Journey HQ, is to get that OBS up there, running and driving. We got a couple of little parts and pieces. We got a drop kit, we got grill, we got roll pan. Got to get some wheels. What else we got to do?
We're gonna paint it. We're gonna do a full chassis.
We're gonna do a body drop.
Body drop.
Yeah.
With big JTX wheels, 22s and 24s on it.
The whole shebang. We're doing it all.
We'll do white again with full satin red interior.
That's what we talked about. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
Remember we talked about that.
I remember.
But anyways, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna pull this thing apart and get it done. Let's do it.
This is your best attribute in life.
I love taking stuff apart. I actually put something together today a little bit.
You ain't done.
I'm not done, but I got it. I got a lot of it done. I put this winch, this Badlands winch on our new car hauler. But what stinks is look at this picture. Look at this picture, guys. You see that right there? That is attached to the winch, right? I mean, you would think. Picture on the side looks like it's attached to the winch. Where do you install this at? Where do you put this at? There's no hole. Oh no. Wait. No, there's not a hole. That looks like that's a hole, doesn't it? No, it's not. There's nowhere to install this. Whatever they call this thing. So now we got to make some type of bracket that goes up underneath here, an L bracket, that where we can put that on there. Kind of stinks. They lied. Harbor Freight lied to us, but it's okay. It's all right. We'll get it fixed. We'll make it work. You ready to make it work?
What are we making work?
Just everything. All right, we're going to get to it, guys. Got it.
Boy, couldn't done that one perfect.
That's exactly where you wanted it, right there.
I meant to do that.
Yeah, sure. We're on the home stretch now. Got everything pulled out of the 2000 Chevy. Today, we're going to be taking that one apart and taking everything off of it. I'm going to pressure wash it, get it cleaned up, get it ready for all new gaskets. Because last night I went ahead and ordered all new gaskets for actually both motors. We'll be ready to roll. We're going to paint it, make it look nice, clean it up. All right, let's get to it. The first thing I've got to do is I got to pull this wiring harness off this engine. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that now. All uninstalled. Now I've got the front drive accessories, all the accessories on the front. That's got to come off now. Got to pull that off, Russell.
You're doing a fantastic job, buddy.
Is that coffee good?
Delish. I love cold weather coffee. Like, I know I could just stand here for a long time and watch you work, supervise. I might even make a TikTok about being a supervisor.
That's good. You supervise. It's 99% of the job.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, that's not.
wooing.
You wore out already?
I'm tired, man. I'm tired. No, I'm not tired. I'm pumped. We got it all broke apart, got it off the transmission apart. Looks like we got a new rear main seal on this. Like we said, this transmission has been rebuilt about 3,000 miles ago when we got the truck. That's what the guy told us. And it does look like that. There is a new torque converter in there. Looks like it's got a new rear main seal. So we're gonna have an extra rear main seal. Got the hot water pressure washer out here. I'm about to suit up and pressure wash this thing, get this thing cleaned up so we can start pulling it more apart and making it look nice. Let's do it. All right, what's going on, guys? Today is another day at the journey. What are we doing, Russell? We're doing this and that.
I am working on the Bel Air and the 54 at the same time, trying to get them both reasonably reliable so that they're moving, functioning cars. We can use them, we can sell them, we can move them around the shop if we need to under their own power. And I'm getting them done so we can get this dang truck down here.
Yep, so he's been doing that. I got the LS on the engine stand, got it all situated, making it straight. It was not straight a while ago, but now it's straight. I'm about to pull the intake off, try to get the not headers. What are those called?
You're close.
Manifolds?
There you go.
Bam, I got it. Manifolds. I wanted to call them headers. But anyways, I got to try to get those manifolds off. There's one bolt broken. We know that, so it's going to be a challenge to not break any bolts. What happened last time? Did you break a bunch of bolts last time?
It's just because of their circumstance in life, they get broke.
Oh yeah.
You know, and I broke a couple last time, but on the aluminum heads, it's pretty easy to get them out. I didn't have any trouble with any of the ones before. There's a little hack.
We'll use a welder.
I say a hack.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody knows.
Yeah, we'll use a welder. We'll get them off, but I'm gonna try not to break any. But I'm gonna get this thing tore down, getting ready for all new gaskets. I've got them all right here. Got a bunch of Felpro parts. Everything came in the mail. We've got oil pan. We actually have two sets of everything.
We got Dirty Dingo.
Oh yeah.
Motor mounts.
Motor
Dirty
mounts.
Dingo trans cross member.
Yep. We've got a lot of parts. We're trying to decide if we're gonna go ahead and do a cam in this thing. We're gonna need to order that pretty soon. What else are we doing? We're gonna pull down the OBS after Russell gets these two, or at least the 53 out of here. We're gonna pull down the OBS. I'm gonna start cleaning it up, getting it ready as well. So we've got a lot of stuff going on today. We're just trying to get it all done. And yeah, we're gonna get to it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Boom.
Got the intake off of here, and there is quite a bit of dirt and crap and leaves and all sorts of stuff in here. So got the vacuum out. I'm gonna vacuum this off. We're gonna paint this thing. We're gonna paint it and make it look a lot nicer and get all the gaskets changed out on it. So I'm gonna vacuum this off. It's the next step. Start cleaning. I've got the motor cleaned up. The next step is I've got to get these broken bolts out of the side of the head. So I'm gonna get all that ready. I'm gonna try to grind down, get a clean spot on my bolt that's broke off, get a washer, weld it to it. This is all Russell telling me how to do it. Russell, you told me how to do it, right?
I'm telling you how I would do it.
And I'm gonna do that.
I'm not telling you how to do it, because you know how the internet be telling me and you that you washed your car wrong.
Yeah, it'll be okay, but this is the way it's gonna work.
This is the way we're gonna attempt it to start with.
Yeah. This is my first time doing this, so we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna bring you all along. I might mess something up, who knows? Yeah, when it's broke off.
There you go. Nope. Woo! Attempt number 2 was a success.
Yeah, it didn't look
coming out.
It didn't look as pretty, but I got it.
Pick it up.
Hell no.
Pick it up.
All right, let me go grab another washer.
I have cleared the landing strip, and we are finna drive this down the ramp, push it on the lift, and give you orders.
That'll work. So I'm driving?
I'm driving this time.
Okay.
No,
Wes!
you can drive. You can drive because you got no booty. I mean, I don't have a booty, but you got like the no acetal.
Look at those. I got guns.
Guns?
Guns, son.
BB guns. You got 2 Daisy Red Riders. You need to pump them suckers up again.
They're hating.
There's no transmission in it, Chase?
I just tried to put it in gear.
It does have an emergency brake though.
Is it on?
No, I just stuck it here.
It is definitely on. I'm going outside, right?
And the brakes do work.
Cool, the brakes do work.
Yeah, we're gonna just pull straight out the door. Just try to get out that door. Get the steering, son. Get the steering. Watch your toes, god dog.
Got the OBS on lift. Now,
we're bringing the truck back up here in less pieces every time. 2 people up here pulling and 2 people back there pushing. Ready, go. All right.
easy.
We're gonna give this the crusty frame treatment, kind of like we did on our first square body that we built. We'll just clean the frame up, paint it, get our swap in there, try to make this thing as nice as we can, as cheap as we can, as quick as we can. So Chase got the bed unbolted yesterday, the back bumper off, got all the exhaust out from under the truck. I am going to take the spare tire out. I'm gonna need some help getting the bed off, but I might go ahead and drop the tank. I'm gonna get all my clips that hold my lines onto the frame off, because we're gonna clean all underneath all the clips, paint everything, try to make everything look as nice as possible. It's easier that way, just getting the stuff out of your way, giving it a quick paint job makes it look nice. We got all our Dirty Dingo brackets in yesterday. Chase got the engine tore down yesterday, so we're making progress pretty quickly on this truck. We'll see how much we can get done today. Let's go.
Russell has gotten the front end off this thing.
Who?
Russell. Russell's been working on this. I got the motor tore down a little bit. Did something today. I'm all suited up. Get this thing ready to paint the frame. We're gonna use chassis armor from Poppy's Patina. And so we're gonna get this all cleaned up and ready to go. So that's what we're gonna do now. We got this thing washed.
I wanted to smack him just
No,
because
don't-
it looked like I could just whoosh. I wouldn't do that. That'd be abuse.
All right, we got this thing cleaned up, ready to paint and paint the frame. What else we got to do? We got to take all the suspension off.
Yeah, we have to change. It was a V6 truck, so we got to change the motor plates on it. In order to do that, we need to just get the coil springs out of the way so we can get inside that pocket on the cross member.
Yep.
So while we're doing that, we're going to blow all the suspension apart. Since we're putting a drop on it, we'll paint everything while it's blowed apart. That'll be a good job for Chase and I to get really nasty and dirty on.
I'm gonna wear some.
I'm not. I like having black hands for 2 weeks.
No, I'm definitely not.
I love it. People know I'm doing something.
No.
Anywho,
We've got a bunch of stuff to do, but we got a lot of progress done today. I mean,
Yeah.
Russell got up here, knocked this thing out, got everything disassembled. I came up here and pressure washed it. I got some of the engine apart, ready for the new gaskets. So I can be working on that tomorrow, finishing that up or disassembling this. Just there's all sorts of stuff to be done, but we're on the home stretch now.
yeah, so Project OBS, the progress will continue. We'll be back in here tomorrow, guys.
See y'all later. So you stuck around to the end of the video, so obviously you want to win this truck.
All you need to do is click the link right over here. He'll put it on the screen and it's in our bio. It takes you to our merch store. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win this truck and 70K.
So on April 30th of 2024, we're gonna pick one lucky winner to win this truck and 70K. Or you can just take the $100,000 cash prize. But we're gonna fly out that winner, is gonna get to come to our shop, hang out with us, go out to eat, and pick up the truck and their money.